Hello everybody, welcome back to Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be talking about how to turn off eco mod on your Mercedes. So let's just dive into the process and actually look on that how you can actually achieve that. So how to turn off Mercedes EQ Eco Assist, and we have a couple of steps for that particular reason. So what are we going to be doing is that you will need to turn off Mercedes EQ Assist each time you start your Mercedes vehicle. Turn off Mercedes EQ vehicle, locate home button to the left of the Mercedes-Benz logo on steering wheel, and then press the home button and select settings from the list of options displayed. Choose assistance and then driving. Deactivate the eco assist function, and that is pretty much it on how you can turn off your Mercedes eco assist mode. If you need more help related to any other cars or stuff like that, make sure to comment down below and I will make a video on that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and do not forget to share with your friends. Until next time, take care and goodbye.